Airplanes. They come in all sorts of weird shapes and sizes, but some of our favorites are paper airplanes. Quick, grab some craft paper to follow along, and we'll show you how to make a whole fleet you can play with. First up, the Vortex Thrower. All you need is a piece of paper and some tape. Step 1, fold one side of the paper and then fold the fold on top of itself, then fold it again. Step 2, take the ends of the paper and roll it into a cylinder and tuck the ends into themselves. Step 3, secure it with a little bit of tape at each end. Throw it with a little wrist flick and it's a great fly.
Next, we have the hoop glider. For this one, you'll need 2 strips of paper, a straw, and some tape. Step 1, take each strip of paper and fold them into a circle. Secure the ends with tape. Step 2, connect the 2 circles to each end of the straw. And check this one out, the helicopter. You'll need a 4-inch strip of paper, scissors, and a paperclip. Start off by cutting a slit on either side of the paper. Fold the paper onto itself. Make a 3rd cut down the center of your paper. Fold one end, then flip it, and fold the other. Fold the end over and secure your paperclip to the bottom. And voila, you have a helicopter.
Last but not least, the Sky King. This record-breaking paper airplane design stayed in the air for over 27 seconds. So get ready. There are a lot of steps in this one. Step 1, grab a sheet of paper and fold it in half, lengthwise. Step 2, open it back up and fold in the front corners to meet at the center. Step 3, fold the tip down to about 1 inch from the bottom of the paper. Step 4, fold in the top 2 corners so the edges meet flush at the center, and then undo the fold. Step 5, fold the corners back in so they meet just at the top, creating a new edge. Step 6, fold the sides in again along the creases that you made a couple steps earlier. Step 7, fold the tip of the nose down so it meets the center point, then unfold it back up. Step 8, fold the paper in half. Step 9, fold the tip of the nose back to meet the crease that you made earlier. Step 10, unfold the nose to leave the new crease line. Step 11, spread the folds apart to create a diamond shape. Step 12, fold the top part of the diamond down to meet the bottom point. Step 13, fold the right and left sides of the diamond back along the sides. Step 14, fold the wings down so they line up with the side points of the front diamond. Lastly, create winglets by folding down the top 1/4 inch of the wingtips. Ta-da! A bona fide Sky King. Now, all that's left to do is play.